everyone, this is Meiyu and welcome to another drawing tutorial on my meiyuart channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute, fun to draw dolphin jumping out of the water step by step. Check out 600 plus drawing tutorials on my fun to draw channel. If you want more advanced drawing tutorials, you can see this playlist. For easier anime and manga tutorials, you can see this. And for my cute and easy fun to draw tutorials and doodles, you can see this playlist. I hope my different art can help you expand your creativity and drawing skills in different ways. So follow along so you can learn to draw a cute dolphin. And I'm going to begin with just a big curve. So let's start with the forehead, like that. It's just a nice big curve. I don't want to make it like too big because it's going to make everything look too big on the page. And I might run out of room, so just keep it to something like that on your page. Okay, now let's go into a short snout. So I want to make it kind of short for this cartoon because it's going to be a really cute dolphin. So we have a little bump right there. Okay, and then once you have that, I want to draw just a smile. I'll curve up just very slightly, and then I want to go down as a soft curve, and I'm going all the way in towards the face, but I don't want to make it too long. Right now I want to curve up again just like that for the smile part. And then for the corner of the mouth, I think it would be cute to draw a small little curve like this. Just like that. Okay, once we have that done, let's go back towards this tip of the mouth. So at the very end, and I want to draw the bottom part of the mouth that comes down, and then I'm going to keep going down into a longer curve, and actually it's going to curve right in towards the tail. So if you need to, you can always take a pencil and kind of sketch out where you want to draw that line. So curving down right here. And of course, practice does make your drawings a lot better. So please don't get discouraged if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. Like, it really doesn't need to be. As long as you're having fun, learning how to draw different things with my drawing videos, then I think that's the most important thing. Just practice and then you'll get better and better. Okay, so we have the line that's coming down. Excellent. And just extend that basically all the way down here. Okay, so something like that. And you'll notice that I didn't make the curve like too long because I do want to keep this body kind of small and short and chubby for a cute look. Okay, so once we have that done, let's leave this area for now and let's go back up here. So we have the forehead. I'll extend this line just a little bit more to make it longer. And then for the fin that comes on top, I want to curve out like that. I don't want to make the point too sharp looking for this cute character, so I want to round it out a little bit, and it won't be too skinny as well. So I'll try to make that fin area quite thick looking, so it looks like a curved triangle shape almost. Okay, once we have that, let's go back into the body. So let's imagine that this line was actually going to go right across, but because I want this fin to look like it's actually attached onto the body, I don't want to draw that line here, but we'll just imagine that this line is continuing and then it will form right around here again for the back part of the body. And then I just want to draw it all the way down as a curve, a big long curve, all the way down until it reaches right around here for this part of the tail. Okay, so just a nice long curve, just like that. Okay. So I really like how this shape for the body is looking. It really looks like it has this energy and it's jumping out. Okay, we're almost done. So we have the basic body shape. Let's end that with the tail. And I want to draw a big curve. Well, it's not really a big curve, more like a medium curve. So a medium curve coming out and then go down, then curve back up slightly. So that's for one half of the tail. And we'll finish that half by drawing another curve coming back in. I don't want to go all the way in because there's going to be another part of the tail right here. Okay, for the other part, let's draw another curve like that. And then draw another curve coming from here. Curve around and go back up to meet this tip right there. Okay, so once we have the shape, let's draw a little detail inside the body for the fin. So I'll begin it right around here as a curve. Okay, and then followed by another one going back up towards the upper part of the body. Just something like that. I think it's really cute and chubby. And then another fin. Let's make it poke out from the other side like that. So it kind of looks like a chubby leaf shape. Okay, so once we have the body all done, let's go into the big funny draw eye. And I want to start it with a cheek line right around here. So it's pretty close to the corner of the mouth. So I dot the spot right here. And I want to curve just a little bit, maybe right around there. So curving like that. And then now to make sure I have the height of the eye, let's go from here. Imagine a line going up and let's end it right around here. So this dot is where I would end the tip of the eye. So from this dot, let's draw a big curve coming down like that. Okay, and then another big curve that faces the other way. So like this. So we have this really big, wide-looking triangle. It's really curved, but it's still kind of like a triangle. Okay, once we have that, let's draw another side of the eye as a curve coming down. So this side is quite skinny compared to that side. Make that actually a little bit taller. I think that'll look nicer. Okay. Now let's shade in this part. Alright, and as for the eye, the actual eye, let's draw a big curve inside. Look how cute that is. So we're having the pupil line right here. And then inside, I want to draw a big highlight to add that extra shininess to the Fun to Draw eye. And once we have that curve, I don't want to shade it in because the highlight has to remain white for a shiny look. But underneath, I want to draw a diagonal line like that. And then shade it in so it looks really nice and dark. And now you can see how bright that highlight is. Looks really nice. Okay, once this is all shaded, I want to keep a few more of these diagonal lines that are going down in the eye. So here's one diagonal line that's quite close. So you can see that's pretty long. The second diagonal line I want to make is a little bit shorter. So maybe right around here. I think that's pretty good. And then the third line would be the shortest. Okay, so go ahead and do those 3 diagonal lines. And once you're done those lines, I want to draw one little thing in the body just to make it look more complete, I think, for this dolphin. And that is the little blowhole on top. Just a small, squished, dark oval. Okay, so once we have the dolphin done, looks like it's kind of like floating around in outer space. And I think we need to add some water to make this picture look more complete. So I think I'm not going to go into too much detail because I want to keep it simple for more of you to follow along. But basically for the waves right here, I just want to draw like a small series of these curves like that, but not too many because I do want to draw a splash around the tail to make it look like it just jumped out. Okay, so we have these little small waves, and then like for a big splash, I want to go up into like a curve. So go up and continue that. Okay, and then I curved around. And basically I just want to continue a few more of these curves. And they don't have to all be like so uniform, or they don't have to look the same. Just make them like kind of random, which is fine. And then it'll disappear behind the tail, which is also fine. And then maybe there's a few more of these curves behind, and then we have some more coming out from behind the tail. Okay, so we have these rounded squiggly lines. And then continue with the waves as these small curved lines like that. And I just want to draw a few more of these squiggly lines just to add to the splash. And then for some finishing touches, I want to draw these little water droplets just around the splash. And if you want to learn how to draw different cute, fun to draw animals and movie characters, you can check out my meiyuart channel for more tutorials. Okay, so I think we have a cute little fun to draw dolphin jumping out of the water with all these nice little watery effects. I hope this tutorial helped you. There you go. I'll try to do more videos on this meiyuart channel whenever I have the time. Subscribe to follow my new ones. Thanks for watching and keep drawing.